I'm Fox 17 meteorologist Greg Bobos. Our forecast here brings in the word snow, and you wouldn't believe it right now. You look outside and we have sunshine, but clouds creep in from north to south later this morning into early afternoon. It's not a code red day. We're not worried about an impact from snow that comes in, but there will be some flakes flying. One of our real first tastes of winter so far this season. Temperatures this morning, even as of right now, are still in the teens and low 20s for our wind chill. So here's the thought. Snow amounts are trace, meaning not even measurable, to 1/2 of an inch in a few isolated spots. Those spots will be, though, mainly north of I-40 and east of I-24. That bigger number is going to only be in one little area of our upper elevated spots here over the Cumberland Plateau, which we'll look at in a moment. The highest amount, though, again, in our far northeasternmost areas, and no travel impact expected at any point later on today. Just please have a winter coat before we're heading out. That's the best accessory you can use for this one. So the darker blue colors, best chance for, again, that trace to maybe a dusting of snow in areas. Not everyone who's shaded in that dark blue gets the dusting, but that's the place where we're going to watch for a few of those pop-up snow showers. The only spot that could be closer to that half-inch mark is, again, right out there, even to the north and the east of the Cookeville area, so almost out of our viewing area. Everyone to the east of us has a much better chance. Taking a look here, future track to the afternoon. There's the bands of snow, but they'll move in enough to where we could, again, get that coating. With those, though, our temperatures will be flirting with 40 degrees. That means there could be some light raindrops mixed in with the snow. It will not create any ice, but could have a little mist mixed in with some snowflakes hitting the windshields. Taking a look by 10, we wrap up shop, and we are good to go. So from 2 o'clock until 10, the best chance to see some snow, mainly north of 40, and the best chance for any that does really stick is going to be east of I-24. Here's current wind chills. They finally have made it out of the teens, but we're still in the low 20s out toward Tompkinsville. You get out towards Crossville. 28, how it feels like right now in Nashville. We'll only be in the mid to upper 30s later on this afternoon. We'll call it 40 at best downtown. Everywhere outside of Nashville going to be in the 30s. Freezing start, rain snow mix, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. and a sunset of 4:32 behind quite a bit of cloud cover. This weekend we get a little bit better. 50 degrees on Saturday, 52 on Sunday. Both of those afternoons are still below average. The entire 7-day forecast actually keeping us below average. Here it is. Yeah, out the door every morning to a cold start. 22 degrees overnight tonight, 24 degrees tomorrow night. We're stuck in the 30s again tomorrow. A decent afternoon on Wednesday at 50, and then we hover in the upper 30s and low 40s to round out the week. The good news is, after today's snowflakes, which again will be fairly inconsequential to everyone, then we stay dry for the rest of the week into the upcoming weekend.